Many major mainstream media houses, such as Vogue, New York Post, Washington Post, etc., have been in support of Amber Heard since the trial began, even though the general public was vastly pro-Depp. There was speculation that Amber might have bribed media houses to work for her. A news source has revealed that Johnny Depp allegedly thought the same before the trial even began. So who is this news source? What exactly did Johnny say about mainstream media? Keep watching to find out. Jessica Reed Krause, a friend of Johnny, diligently posted on Instagram about Johnny Depp's trial against his ex-wife Amber Heard. Krause revealed that she spoke with Depp at the start of the trial. Krause wrote that he told her he appreciated her work and shared his musings on the death of journalistic integrity during an hour-and-a-half conversation. "I don't know you," he says, "but I know that I trust you just by the words you use and the aesthetic in your work," Krause wrote, quoting Depp. He briefly mentions the Rolling Stone article that ruined his reputation and destroyed his trust in the media, a betrayal from which he has yet to recover. The widely read 2018 profile for which Depp was interviewed detailed the actor's legal and financial problems. Krause also discussed Depp's tendency to trust the wrong people and the trouble it's caused him in various periods throughout his life. Krause wrote that she met Depp through an old friend of Johnny's, whom she met on Instagram. Krause and the unnamed friend later met in person and spent time together during the trial. She told Insider, in addition, she could overhear FaceTime calls between Depp and his friends on occasion. During the trial, Krause stayed in the same hotel as Depp's legal team. She once posted photos on Instagram of Depp's lawyer, Benjamin Chew, wearing shorts and a Hollywood Vampires t-shirt in the hotel elevator. While watching the testimony from the courtroom in Fairfax County, Virginia, Krause posted daily updates to hundreds of thousands of followers, all of which were unabashedly pro-Depp. Her admiration for the Pirates of the Caribbean actor has benefited her Instagram account, House in Habit, which now has just under 1 million followers. According to the social media statistics tracker Social Blade, the number nearly doubled during the trial. Krause claims she met Depp at a cocktail party held at the hotel after he testified and took a picture of him. A source close to Depp confirmed the photo's authenticity. During the 6-week defamation trial, details about Depp's and Heard's turbulent relationship and Hollywood lifestyles dominated the internet. Yet, as Depp and Heard exited the courthouse, crowds of Depp fans lined the street, holding signs and shouting words of encouragement. Krause claimed Depp was unaware of the magnitude of the trial's attention. "He's so naive," Krause commented. "On those phone calls, he didn't even realize how viral every aspect of the trial was, because he really isn't on social media." Following the jury verdict in early June, Depp has not given any interviews to media organizations through Chew, and another of his attorneys, Camille Vasquez, have spoken to several outlets. Heard spoke with NBC News' Today Show co-host Savannah Guthrie, saying she believes more evidence would have swayed the jury to reach a more favorable verdict in her favor. Krause and Depp discussed Hunter S. Thompson and David Foster Wallace during their 90-minute conversation at the start of the trial, she wrote in her Substack post. He also told her he wrote on a typewriter and described a revolution that would entail burying our cell phones and laptops to sever our obsessive dependency on them, she wrote. Contrary to the accusations that will later pin me as a die-hard Depp fan, I don't know much about him, Krause wrote. Depp, she added, was bathed in slow Southern charm. Krause wrote, in conversation, he comes across as smart, curious, funny, and polite. Like the Johnny Depp we know on screen, he is prone to shifting into character voices. Aside from that, he's humble, down-to-earth, and incredibly attentive. Krause said she spent time with Depp's old friend during the trial. In addition, she claimed to have seen Depp take calls from celebrities, expressing their support for him as the case progressed. "I'm spending 6 weeks with his friend, so I'm listening to FaceTimes between them," Krause explained. All these phone calls from celebrities checking in on him because a cool angle, because it kinda just made him a regular guy. Everyone is talking about him as if he were a friend. Krause and Depp didn't speak again after their first phone call until she met him in person at the cocktail party following the trial's closing arguments, Krause said. Depp, she wrote, was not trying to shape the direction of a story or influence the way it's told. Instead, he thanked her for carving it with intention, as opposed to media organizations that had failed him so many times before. Krause wrote, Krause declined to elaborate on her conversations with Depp beyond what she had written. It's not the first time people close to Depp have contacted online personalities who have supported his version of events. In a deposition for the trial, Adam Waldman, an attorney who has represented Depp, testified that he has communicated with internet journalists, such as that Umbrella Guy, an online personality who has made numerous videos and social media posts critical on her. What do you think of Johnny's comments in the media? Let us know in the comments section down below. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.